Hello everyone, how are you? And I am here with another Dollar Tree haul. And a lot of this is going to be, well, for my decorating, for my trees, and some for DIYs. So let me show you, and this is nighttime and I have the lights on and I'm hoping you can see pretty good. So I got this bag, you guys, even if you use these just for gifts, $1, and this is a big bag. It is so cute. But since I'm doing gingerbread and snowmen in the kitchen and dining room, I thought this would be adorable. So I'm gonna try to do something with this bag. Don't know yet. I gotta kind of rack my brain and think. So I got that. Now some of this stuff might be a repeat, a few things, not much, but maybe a few things. But if it is, well, forgive me. Okay. They had these ornaments, and that's what they are. They're actual ornaments. And in my living room, where my Santa Claus tree is going to be, my big tree, it's all different kinds of Santas. And so I'm going to put these into the tree as well, and I'll leave them just as they are. I won't alter them because there's a lot of vibrant red and white that go into this tree. So I got those, got 2 of those. Then I'm thinking about doing a DIY with these, and these are like little hurricane glasses. But anyway, I'm thinking about a DIY with these particular glasses. Then they had these, and there's 3 of them, and they hang. Now I won't keep them this way. I will take the little hook off of it. But they're snowflakes, and these will work perfect in my family room and dining room area because of the snowmen. So I think I got, did I get 2 or 3 of these? I think I just got 2, because I'll get 6 snowflakes out of the 2. And they had these frames. You know the acrylic frames, because I do a lot with acrylic frames, and it's a twofer, if you will, and it will hold 2 pictures, and you can decorate with these. On one side you could put a saying in a picture or whatever, but I have never seen these before, so I went ahead and I got 4 of them just in case this is just a one-time deal. I didn't want to pass it up, because these make nice frames for pictures or a gift as well. I already got a couple of these, which I showed you, and I picked up 1 more. So I thought that was cute. And then they had this little tree, and they had them in white and red. No, white, yeah, I think they did. White, red, and green. But isn't that cute? So I just got 1 of those. Then I got these because I'm going to use these in a DIY coming up. So be on the lookout for those. Then I got this mug that says I love Santa, and this will go on my hutch with all my Santa stuff. I'll do my goodies and do a Mrs. Claus just in the dining area of the formal. In the formal dining room, I'll put my sweets and stuff, and I think I'll get that 1 sign from Target for Mrs. Santa. I think that'll be cute with it. Then I got these 2 plastic bulbs, because I'm going to make a DIY using these and something else. Then they had these sugar sticks, and these were 89 cents a piece, and these will go in my kitchen because it'll have peppermint and gingerbread. These are little metal sleighs, and I will probably take this off and do something with these, but these will go in onto my tree. So I got 2 of those. And then these I've never seen, but they have a battery. Here's the batteries here. And you put them in here and they light up. So those will go on my tree. Something different. Then this I wanted for decoration, but I'm also going to scan this and use it for something else. And you'll see what that is when I do it. And then at work I always take my cups with either my coffee or my iced coffee. So I got the red truck with the snowmen. Really nice. I mean, this is a nice cup. And it's only $1. And I could take soup in these, you know. And then I always bring one of these. I have one for every season. And I usually throw them away at the end of the season if they're really, you know, stained or whatever, because it's only $1. Go to my daughter's, I'll take my drink, you know, and make it, and then wherever I go, because the straw doesn't fall out and it's secured with the lid. And then they had these mailboxes, and this is the largest one. They had smaller ones, but I'm probably going to alter this with the colors of which I'm decorating with, although this is cute. But I'll end up putting my own paper, and then I'm going to do something with this other than just leaving it like that. And then in my other haul I showed you, I got one of these, but I wanted 2. So I picked up another snowman. And then they had the Santa Claus too. And look how doggone cute this is. And it's all wood. Well, this is particle board, but nevertheless, really cute. And then I got these stars, the LED lights. So I'm going to use this in a DIY. These I thought were beautiful, and these are pearls. Well, imitation, but isn't that pretty? And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. I don't know if I'll put them on my tree or if I'll put them in with a DIY. I'm not sure. And I think I bought one like this. I think I did. But this is just a pattern, and I'll make more and just put my own spin on it. I had one left of this, and with my other hauls, you saw that I picked up quite a few of these, so I picked that one up. And then they had this one with the apple and the holly and the pine cone for $1. I mean, that is a nice pick for $1. Then I got some dowels, and I need a longer set of dowels as well, but these are going to be used for a DIY for Christmas. I got quite a few cute DIYs, so stick around to see what I do. And then they have this little silicone mold, and it's little candy canes and then hard candies. So I will probably use my plaster of Paris and make some candies from this. And then they had this little snowman, and I'll keep him the way he is, and I'll put him in my den. And then I have a couple of these hats already, but I wanted another one, and I'll put this in my Christmas tree in the living room. And then I got 4 more of these hats. I think these are so adorable. And those will go in my family room. And then I had one of these churches I bought last year, but I got one more. I thought that was so pretty. I got it in white. And they had different colors. I can't remember. Just because this is going to go into a DIY. This is solar, so I'll have to put it by the window so it'll get solared up. So that'll go with the DIY. And then I got some candy canes for a DIY. These aren't as big as what I would have liked, but I can do 2 different sizes in the DIYs that I'm going to do with this. And then I just got some gumballs to put in some glass in the kitchen, red and green. And then they have this, and it stands up. It has an easel, and it's a coffee cup, the shape of a coffee cup, and it says, "A hot, fresh coffee is the best way to start the day." and then it has a little hook on it so you can put a note or whatever. But again, I got this for the pattern, and so I might be making some, and not necessarily for Christmas, maybe for some gifts, but nevertheless, when I do whatever I'm going to do with this, I'll bring you with me. Just a white pair of socks because I'm doing a DIY with that. And then I bought this, and this won't necessarily be for Christmas, but it says the best things in life aren't things, and I'm going to do something with this as well. And then I just got some parchment paper for my baking and for my crafts. When I do my faux food, I like to put these down because things don't stick to it. And these are sheets. This isn't on a roll, so there's 25 sheets for $1, which is good. So that's it, guys. That is my Dollar Tree haul. And like I said, I'll be doing some DIYs with this. Some of it is just stuff, you know, that I use every day, my cups. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got. And we'll get to getting on some DIYs. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon.